Hey guys, today we are going to make how to remove the yellow stains on this tape. So now you you can select this laser tool and select this heat area. I'm just roughly selecting this. Now I have selected this heat area. Now you can do Ctrl J to separate the selected area and go to select and mask, increase the feather to 7.2 pixels and click OK. Now create hue and saturation adjustment. Now our teeth is in yellowish color, so now select yellow and decrease the saturation and increase the lightness little bit. So here we go, our yellow is 1.